Hi, welcome to my series where I'm recapping my journey in my career. We are on episode 7, and I'm still doing my master's in London, master's in creative industries management in 2014 15. 14 is when I went there in October, but now we've reached 2015. I have so far gone over about 8 different work experiences, starting from assisting an Australian set director to interning, researching, and assistant directing at Anurag Kashyap Live Form Pictures. I've also worked at Times of India as a corporate sales intern. I have done beauty sales executive in different House of Fraser, Debenhams, different places in London, teaching me about the service sector. I have started volunteering at Camden Arts Centre. I also did an alumni fundraising campaign with my institution where I was studying at Birkbeck University of London, and it taught me how to connect emotional connectivity with sales and cold calls. This is June now, and I've got an internship at Michael Rubinson Publishing House, and this is a law firm, and I've got an internship for digital marketing because I realized out of all my subjects, digital marketing was something that was coming very naturally to me. So I thought, let me do this. But when I started working, I again got stuck in the whole of cold calls and cold emails. But I did learn MailChimp there. The few learnings that were there was MailChimp and the value of time. Until now, I had been in relaxed environments, or I was able to manage being on time, but this work experience was extremely strict. If I would get even 2 minutes or 5 minutes late or be on time sometimes, that would be counted as being late. You had to come before time and you had to start work on time, and if you were late more than 3 times, then you would be fired. And that's exactly what happened within 2 days of me starting work. And that was once or ever in my life that I went through such a thing. And it's taught me the value of time, and it's taught me how seriously people do take their time abroad, and how it reflects and what what they mean it to be. It means that you're not valuing others' time. It could mean that you're not serious about your work. It could reflect on your values and your values as a person and your attitude to things. So people really take it personally, and it's not taken well in the professional sense. Something that could be very normal in other cultures. Now everyone is realizing it more as we move towards professionalism. So that was my one experience, but at the same time, I had also started working as a student caller, international student caller at Birkbeck, where I was talking to prospective students and telling them about what it is to live in London, to study at Birkbeck, and if they have any questions about navigating the jitters before moving to a new country, something that I did right when I was 21 years old. And that was very good. That was very satisfying work experience. This is June. Both these part-time jobs started during June, while I was also volunteering at Camden Arts Centre, and I was taking sometime shifts as a beauty sales executive as well. So extremely hectic summer starts, and I was doing a master's degree, which was very challenging of academics compared to the academics in India, where you had to research, you had to go out there, and very practical based work experience. That's all for now. I'm going to start and talk about the further work experiences, getting more closer to the creative sector in London, and all the learning experiences that it did provide me as part of my career. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you in the next video.